In this video, we'll learn how to solve an algebraic expression in order and how to solve integers with different signs. Now remember, you always solve an algebraic expression from left to right. Algebraic expressions consist of different terms. Whenever you simplify those expressions, you need to do it in the given order. First you solve the brackets, then simplify the indices, then division and multiplication followed by addition, then subtraction. I'll be covering a few examples later on. Now let's take a look at how to solve integers with different signs. Whenever you need to add integers of the same sign, the answer will be in that given sign. So positive plus positive equals positive and negative plus negative equals negative. Now, when it comes to adding integers with different signs, your answer will have the sign of the integer with a larger value. Let's take a look at these examples. 5 plus 4 equals 9, minus 5 plus minus 4 equals minus 9. The sign is the same. Now, when you add 5 and minus 4, your answer will be 1, that is plus 1. Considering 5, the integer with a larger value is positive. When you add minus 5 and plus 4, your answer is minus 1 as the sign of the integer with a larger value is negative. Before we learn how to subtract integers with different signs, let's learn how to multiply integers with different signs. Whenever you have to multiply two integers with the same sign, the answer will always be positive. And whenever you have to multiply two integers with different signs, the answer will always be negative. So here, 3 times 3 equals 9, minus 3 times minus 3 equals 9 and 3 times minus 3 equals minus 9. Now, whenever you have to divide integers with different signs, it's similar to the multiplication. 3 divided by 3 equals 1, minus 3 divided by minus 3 equals 1, minus 3 divided by 3 equals minus 1. Now, when you have to subtract integers with different signs, it gets pretty complicated. Let's take a look here. When you have to subtract two positive integers, the answer will be positive if the first integer has a larger value, negative if the second integer is greater. When you have to subtract two negative integers, the answer will be negative if the first integer is greater and positive if the second integer is greater. 3 minus 2 equals 1, 2 minus 3 equals minus 1. Minus 3 minus minus 2 equals minus 3 plus 2 equals minus 1. Minus 2 minus minus 3 equals plus 1. When you have to subtract a negative from positive, the answer will be positive because the two minus signs got multiplied to give a plus sign. When you have to subtract a positive from a negative, the answer will be negative because the two plus and minus signs got multiplied to give a negative sign. 4 minus minus 2 equals 4 plus 2 equals 6. Minus 4 minus 2 equals minus 6.